How to add apps on control center in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and then press and hold on blank space. Now click on add a control. After clicking on add a control, then scroll down. And here you can see the option open app. Now click on open app and then click on choose app. Now here you can choose the app and then click on blank space. So this is the way to add apps on control center in iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.